everyone, welcome to Blush and this is your friend Dia. Guys, today's video is actually about Nykaa. So what exactly I have picked from Nykaa, I will be telling you this. So this one is awake and I have to make video with her, so it's okay. So guys, let me just show you my shopping which I have done through Nykaa. So let's get started. So the first product I have picked is from ODX. This is a conditioner. The cost of this conditioner is $625. Now the best part is when you order this from Nykaa, you will get this with a 5% extra discount, which you do not get anywhere else. So the next product I'm going to talk about is the Body Shop Chamomile. This is a gentle eye makeup remover. The price of this is $795 and I have picked this from Nykaa. This is really amazing product. I have used it and I liked it. The next product which I have picked is this. This is actually from Lakme. This is a liquid foundation. Okay, the price of this product is only $126, but the actual price is $140 and I have got it 10% off me. So this is again amazing. So if you see, this is the next product. This is Gala Eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner. This is Gala of London and you will be really shocked to know the price. This is just for 75 rupees and it comes in 3 colors. Brown, black and blue. Yes, and I love this, really loved it. So the next product is this Eyelash Curler. This is really amazing and I just loved it. I tried it also. It is working perfect for me. If you really like my video, please do give me a thumbs up, and at the same time, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on the red button which is under here, and do not forget to press the bell button.
Bell button and subscribe to my channel.
And stay tuned to
Blush and subscribe to my channel.
Oh my god, this one is adorable. So signing off now. Say bye.
Signing off.
Okay, no. Bye. Bye.